Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your health and fitness tracking? I just got my hands on the WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 and I'm blown away by its features. This sleek smartwatch combines timeless design with cutting-edge tech, offering a hybrid approach with analog hands and digital health tracking. You'll love the feel of the stainless steel case and the durability of the sapphire glass. With up to 35 days of battery life, you can track your daily and nightly health metrics without interruption, and the sound of the notifications is crisp and clear. The WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 also includes advanced health monitoring features like medical-grade ECG and continuous heart rate tracking, which provides a sense of security and peace of mind. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and ease of use. I've been using it to track my sleep stages, breathing, and workouts, and the insights I've gained have been incredibly valuable. The Vitality Score feature gives me a sense of my overall health and wellness, and the VO2 max and heart rate zones help me optimize my exercise routine. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to take control of your health, the WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 is an excellent choice, offering a unique combination of style, substance, and seamless connectivity to your Android or iOS device. With its proprietary HealthSense OS and on-device machine learning, this smartwatch provides precise health metrics that help you make informed decisions about your lifestyle. So why settle for a basic fitness tracker when you can have a comprehensive health and wellness companion like the WITHINGS ScanWatch 2? Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.